Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to see what's creating the page. Turn on non-printing characters so you can spot paragraph marks and page breaks. Once visible, open the navigation pane to jump directly to the offending page. It speeds things up. Next, select the content. Click at the start, hold Shift, and click the end, or press Ctrl+G, type the page number, then enter to land there. Do this because deleting what you see prevents accidental removal of nearby text. Now focus on what actually keeps the page. Remove manual page breaks and section breaks by selecting them and pressing Delete. Section breaks can change layout, so be cautious. If many paragraph marks remain, collapse them by deleting or run Find and Replace. Find PP Replace with P to merge empty paragraphs. Also inspect headers, footers, and anchored objects. They can force a blank page. Make sure to save before complex changes. So to finish, reselect the area and delete. If a blank page persists at the end, set the final paragraph mark to font size 1 or 0 spacing. That preserves content while removing the blank. If a section break prevents deletion, remove it but then check headers, orientation, and margins because section breaks carry formatting. Once done, preview or export to PDF to confirm the page is gone. Troubleshooting tip. If content shifts unexpectedly, press Undo, restore your saved copy, and retry using a smaller change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.